Hello everyone, Mr. McCarthy here again. Today is Monday, April 13th. We are still apart. I wish we were at school together, but we are not. So I'm going to explain your 4 choices for today. You may continue on the April activity calendar. Is choice number 1. Choice number 2 is the Couch Island activity. Equipment, pillows, towels, stuffed animals, anything you may have at your home that you can step on safely. The setup, with your parents' permission, you're going to create a trail leading to your couch in your place. Place all of the equipment on the ground, and then choose how far away you want to make it from the starting line to your couch, which is the finish line. Today on this activity, you're going to work on your balancing and strategy. The goal is to not touch the ground. The ground is the water. And if you step in the water, you must start over. You can choose to time yourself if you want, or just play with your family. Activity number 2 is called Tic Tac Toe. You can choose card number 1, which is blue, or card number 2, which is red. Again, you're going to challenge an opponent to create a tic-tac-toe. The goal is to complete either 3 X's or 3 O's before your opponent does. Tic-tac-toe fitness is challenge number 2. And then finally, sock hop. The goal is to find as many socks as you can. You're going to play against an opponent. An opponent's either going to have a box or maybe a hula hoop or a designated area where they're going to place their socks. And what you're going to do is you're going to try to hop over to a sock, pick it up with the toes of your foot, hop back to the finish line or the place where you're going to place all of your socks, and then leave it there. And then do it again. You could time yourself, or you could play against somebody. Some modifications is you could run over there, you could jump over there, you could skip over there, but the goal is to pick up the socks with your toes, and then without using your hands, bring the sock back with the toes, and then place it where you want it to go. Those are your 4 choices today. Again, post your pictures, post your videos, use your word descriptions, and I will hopefully see you soon.